Hi folks, back again for another Android app, this time an online radio station app. You can also play videos as well. Basically, pretty easy to use. You've got a list, hundreds of online radio stations. Just scroll down and click on any of them. We'll try and connect straight away, as you see. Press the stop button there. You can also play videos as well. It'll just instantly pick up the videos on your device. Click play. There we go. You also have the back to the radio, so just click that button there. You've also got a settings information here, got a listing of the countries, categories. You can actually alter the link as well. You've also got some other options with this app. Click on the menu button, you can actually play Sudoku. Swipe down, refreshes the game. Also got a few other little games, tic-tac-toe Android. And you play your noughts and crosses, pretty easy to use. Back to the menu again, you can generate random numbers pretty easily. And you can actually flip some cards, maybe even a coin. Swipe down, and you go again. Back to the menu, you can create your own listing of random numbers that can be used in the random number game here. Back to the radio, and that's about it. Thank you.